Hello friends, hope you're doing well. If you are using Windows 10 and it is working very slow, in this video I will show you some settings you can apply to boost or increase your Windows 10 performance. So without wasting your time, let's start. First, you have to disable all the startup applications. So for this, right click on the taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Now here, if you see this kind of small screen, click on this option, More Details. Now click on this tab, Startup. So these are the startup applications you have in your system. So disable all the startup applications. Just right click on the application and click on Disable. So you have to disable all the startup applications one by one. This is your step 1. Now move on to our next step. Disable all the background applications. So for this, click on your Windows icon, then click on this settings option, then click on this privacy option. Now on the left side, scroll down and here you will see this option, background apps. Click on it. Now on the right side, you can see these are the background applications which are currently on. So you have to turn off all the startup applications by just click on this option. This option will turn off all the background applications. Okay, so this is your step 2. Turn off all the background applications. Now move on to our next step. Delete all the temporary and unnecessary files from your system. So for this, you have to click on your Windows icon, then type disk cleanup. And here you will see this option, disk cleanup. Click on it. Now I have two partitions in my system. So you have to select the C drive which contains your operating system. Then click on OK. Now you have to select all the options. Select all the options. These are the temporary files. Select all the options. Then click on OK. And you will see this screen, permanently delete. So these are the temporary files. So delete all the temporary files. Click on this option, delete files. This will take a few minutes to delete all the temporary files from your system. Now move on to our final step, which is very effective. Click on your Windows icon. Now type View Advanced System Settings. And here you will see this option, View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now here you will see this type of window. Click on this Advanced tab. In the Performance section, click on this Settings option. Now here you have 4 options. Select the third one, Adjust for the best performance. Select this option. Now you have to enable some features. So enable these 5 features. After that, click on Apply. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Now restart your system and you will see a better performance in your Windows 10. So these are the steps you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.